Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you how to view all members in a WhatsApp group using the app on your PC. With the latest update, accessing group member details is now easier than ever. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, simply scan the QR code on your computer screen using the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, locate the group whose members you'd like to view. You can find it in your chat list, or use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly locate it. Once you've found the group, click on it to open the chat. Now, look at the top of the chat window where the group's name is displayed. Click on the group's name to open its contact information page. This page contains all sorts of useful details about the group. Once you're in the contact info section, scroll down or look for an option labeled Members. Click on it and voila! You'll see a full list of all members in that group, including their names and profile pictures, and that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily view all members of any WhatsApp group on your PC. This feature is perfect for managing groups or simply knowing who's part of a conversation. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your WhatsApp experience.